Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today, I'll be showing you how to disable a booking form while keeping all your valuable information intact. Let's dive right in. First, let's discuss why disabling a booking form can be more beneficial than deleting it. By disabling, you keep all your data safe, which means if you ever need to reactivate the form, it's just a click away. Now let's go through the steps together to disable your booking form. Start by clicking on Settings in your dashboard. Next, head over to Industries. Select Add Delete Industry. You'll see the Added Industries tab at the top. Click on that. Find the industry you want to disable. Under the Customer Status column, you'll see an Enabled button. Switch it to Disabled. And that's it. Your industry is now disabled for customers, while all your data remains intact. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.